Hey there, plant lovers and space savers. Welcome to Home Spot, your go-to channel for turning cramped corners into dreamy green havens. Ever feel like your apartment or tiny yard just can't handle a tropical vibe? Think again. Today, we're unlocking the secret to transforming even the smallest spaces into lush, leafy escapes. From vertical jungles to edible paradises, these ideas will make you rethink what's possible. Grab your watering can, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the small space revolution. Imagine transforming blank walls into living art. Vertical pallet gardens are perfect for tight spaces. Layer tropical ferns, philodendrons, and bromeliads into upcycled wooden frames. These green walls not only purify air but add instant jungle vibes. Pro tip: use moisture-loving plants for low-maintenance drama. Now, let's step outside to another compact hotspot. Balconies are hidden gems for tropical escapes. Optimize narrow spaces with hanging orchids and tiered plant stands. Foldable bamboo furniture saves room, while pothose vines cascade like emerald curtains. This setup thrives in partial sun, ideal for urban dwellers craving a leafy retreat. Next, discover how water can elevate your tiny oasis. Even a ceramic pot can hold magic. Craft a mini pond with dwarf papyrus and lotus, paired with a solar fountain for soothing sounds. Surround it with pebbles and moss for texture. This water feature attracts light and life, proving tranquility doesn't need space. Ready to repurpose unexpected items? Let's crack into. Coconut shells aren't just for beaches. Drill drainage holes, fill with soil, and plant succulents or air plants. Their rugged texture contrasts beautifully with sleek apartment interiors. Cluster them on shelves for a coastal tropical fusion. Speaking of creative displays, another vertical solution awaits. Windowsills are prime real estate for microjungles. Mix sun-loving croton's fiery leaves with peperomia's whimsical shapes. Trail pothos to soften edges. Use colorful pots to amplify joy. This setup thrives with minimal effort, just rotate for even light. Now, let's go bigger, without the bulk. Dwarf banana plants and petite bird of paradise pack tropical punch in oversized pots. Their architectural leaves create bold focal points. Place them near entryways or corners to trick the eye into seeing depth. Pair with neutral walls for maximum contrast. Hungry for function and beauty? Let's blend edibles into decor. Pineapple sage's red blooms, lemongrass's citrusy scent, and dwarf mango's glossy leaves turn balconies into edible paradises. Use modern planters to keep it chic. Harvest herbs for teas or cooking. It's sustainability with style. Now, let's solve a common apartment woe: privacy. Folding screens aren't just for decor. Attach planters to create movable green walls. Ferns and ivy thrive here, offering seclusion and cleaner air. Perfect for studios or shared spaces. Lightweight and adaptable, this hack grows with your needs. Up next, shelving that doubles as art. Tiered bamboo shelves add warmth and structure. Showcase monstera's split leaves, calathea's stripes, and staghorn fern's wild shapes. Stagger heights for visual flow. This organic setup complements minimalist or bohemian styles. Now, let's explore a space you use daily but might overlook. Bathrooms are tropical havens waiting to happen. Macrame hangers with terrariums thrive in steam. Their glossy leaves pop against pastel tiles. Add ferns for feathery texture. It's a spa-like upgrade. Need zen in a jar? Let's shrink the concept. Mini Zen gardens merge tropics and tranquility. Rake sand around smooth stones, add moss, and tuck in a bonsai ficus. This micro-meditation spot fits on desks or shelves. Perfect for stress relief. Now, let's turn trash into treasure. Old tires, painted turquoise or coral, become statement planters. Stuff them with cascading ivy and bromeliads for a riot of color. Great for urban yards, they're durable and drain well. Speaking of innovation, let's brighten those dark corners. LED grow lights rescue shadowy nooks. Choose full-spectrum strips to nurture philodendrons or snake plants. Their gentle glow adds futuristic flair. Pair with metallic pots for a sci-fi jungle vibe. Now, dive into a self-contained ecosystem. Paludariums blend water and land in glass containers. Aquatic plants, moss, and miniature ferns create a fairy tale world. Add tiny figurines for whimsy. It's a conversation starter. Craving fresh flavors? Let's spiral upwards. Herb spirals maximize vertical space. Stack pots to grow ginger, turmeric, and Thai basil. Their aromatic leaves thrive in warmth. Snip as needed for curries or teas. Function meets flavor. Up next, hanging gardens with a glassy twist. Glass terrariums dangling from ceilings bring ethereal beauty. Fill them with air plants and moss. No soil needed. They refract light like tiny galaxies. Ideal for bohemian spaces. Now, let's borrow a design trick to double your greenery. Mirrors amplify small spaces instantly. Position them behind potted palms or fiddle leaf figs to create illusions of depth. Reflected greenery feels lush and expansive. Pro tip: use frameless designs for seamless blending. Ready to close the sustainability loop? Let's talk compost. Odor-free compost bins fit under sinks or counters. Feed kitchen scraps to nourish potted plants. Modern designs blend with decor. No eyesores here. It's eco-friendly and efficient. Finally, let's merge aesthetics for a grand finale. Fold-down tables with built-in planters are genius for patios. Grow herbs or ferns while saving floor space. Sturdy hinges and waterproof materials make it durable, stylish and smart. Now, let's unite everything with color. Tie your tropical oasis together with a vibrant palette. Emerald greens, terracotta pots, and pops of coral or yellow create cohesion. Add patterned cushions or art for energy. It's harmony in small doses, proof that tiny spaces can burst with life. And there you have it, 20 genius ways to bring the tropics home, no matter how tiny your space. Whether you're team vertical pallet garden or obsessed with that mini zen pond, remember, creativity always beats square footage. Don't forget to like this video if you're inspired, subscribe to HomeSpot for more plant-packed hacks, and comment below telling us which idea you're trying first. Want more? Hit the bell so you never miss our next green revolution. Until then, keep growing, keep glowing, and turn those small spaces into big adventures. See you in the next one.